Hey guys, it's Miss Parikh, and I just wanted to go over a few things with you and introduce Module 3 to you. Remember that on my home page that you see here, up at the top, you'll see the two most recent announcements. If it has a blue dot, that means you haven't checked it. These should be checked every day because it's usually something important that you need and information that you'll need to be successful. If you scroll down, I added this table so you can see when I have office hours and when I have live sessions. And then you've seen these before. And again, you should be looking at the daily schedule, and you just click on each of the tabs to see each of the different days and what we have planned. Just a reminder, for your Zoom or your live sessions, the links will be available here maybe 10 minutes before the office hours or the live sessions start. You can look at your grades from here. You can go to PowerSchool from here, and then you're going to access your work from right here where it says modules. Always look to see what to expect on the agenda for the week. And then to get to the module, you're going to click on module. And our module this week is Module 3. Which means that you will have to have taken your Module 2 test in order to have this open up. Module 3 is about cells. It starts out with the test review, just so you have that information, has some games and notes and videos. And I'll also put this video that you're watching, you clicked on it by getting to the first slide there. I added something new this time at the top of each of the notes to help you out. I tried to pick out the key vocabulary words, so if you want to write those down for yourself, some of the students are asking how to help kind of focus their attention on what's important. And again, you have lots of different things that you can look at here, but I think that might make going through your notes a little bit more active. You have a TED Talk, which is an Edpuzzle that you're going to watch, and you have a few matching and practice activities, learning both about the parts of the microscope and the scientists before we actually go into cells. So once you go and we look at cells, we're going to compare the two main kinds of cells. We're going to look at what scientists discovered about cells and the cell theory, and look at the parts of the cells. So as you go through this, when you get to the end of each day's work, it'll say you've completed this activity for this day. It'll tell you what we're doing next. And then when you come back the next day, you'll have access to the next set of assignments. Some of you are still having trouble with accessing the assignments, and I can show you how you can tell what you need to do. So if you can't get to the next assignment, you need to look at the one before it. And right here, if you look on the assignment, it tells you whether you need to mark it done, or do you need to submit, or sometimes, like if it tells you you're done for the day, do you just need to view it? And so you need to actually do whether it's submitting, viewing, or marking as done in order for that green check to happen so you can move on. And again, I'm on the modules page that you can get to very easily from the top left navigation bar. If you're trying to redo assignments, remember you can go to calendar. And once you've already done them, you can access any of the assignments by finding its name here and clicking on that link. And once you've clicked on the link, it'll take you to it since you've already done it before. Remember to keep checking your inbox, and for feedback on the assignments, make sure that you go to that actual assignment and look and see what hints I put there. And that way you can correct it and turn it back in before you can correct it and turn it back in before the next test. Hopefully I'll see you guys at the live session today or Monday. Have a great weekend.